Next, we'll be going over exercises for the knee and hip complex. Keep in mind that a lot of issues with the knee and the hip do result from the foot and ankle. So if you want to also watch the foot and ankle video, that would also be helpful for you. First, our postural tip for the knee. The main thing we see that we have happen in people with knee pain is that the knee will track inwards, especially with any pressing movement. This is our first exercise. We're going to do a single leg squat. We're going to focus on putting one leg out, putting our leg that we're standing on slightly in the middle of where we would normally stand, pressing off the heel and pushing down into our toes, using our glute to stand up, not allowing our knee to track in the middle. We also want to be able to slowly go down and control sitting down and coming back up. Next, for the knee and hip, we'll be doing some stretches. The first stretch is our normal hamstring stretch, bringing the feet together, pushing the knees down into the ground, bringing the toes towards me, and reaching forward. Keeping your chest up, try not to arch your back as you're doing this movement. Finally, we have a 90-90 hip rotation. This is really helpful for people, especially who lift weights and do things that require more hip mobility, where you don't normally get that. So we're going to sit in this position with our knees and our hips at a 90-degree angle. We're going to anchor our heels into the ground and pivot to the other side. Just like this. And then rotate back over to the other side. Eventually you would like to do this with your hands off of the ground without support, keeping your hips level as you rotate this way.